Hi everyone, I'm Jara, but you can just call me Jara, and I'm from Myanmar, and I am studying international business. I'm a fresher, so I'm a first year student this year, 2022. Well, when I first heard about Rangsit University Language Center, and we have the opportunity to be a volunteer, and I was really excited, and then I was really happy to work with teachers and other classmates together. And I have been teaching English outside of schools for about a year now, and that has been a really good experience. But I want to be more in touch with students inside of schools, and I want to make friends, and I really want to help others who need my help, and I also want to get helped from more advanced students. So I think this would be a very collaborated and motivated journey together. So why don't we come together and study and share our different approaches? So let's build a healthful society. Let's go.